What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina. Y'all should know that by now, but I know I get a lot of new subscribers. My name is Sharina. Today is just the day in the life, I guess. I gotta make 30 shot glasses, custom shot glasses. So 30 birthday shot glasses, and they are polo themed. So Ralph Lauren polo theme. The customer wants me to match the shot glasses to the cake that they have. No, I did not make the cake. I can barely boil an egg. So no, I'm just the crafter. I can do more than boil an egg, but I can't bake it all. I wouldn't trust me to bake your cake. I'm on shot glass duty, okay? There's a reason why I'm on shot glass duty. But I'm gonna be using my Eufy make to make the UVDTF stickers to go on the shot glasses. So it's 30 shot glasses. I'm gonna create the images that I want to put on the shot glasses. I actually had ChatGPT help me create, but I'm gonna use my Eufy make printer. And if you don't know what the Eufy make printer is, go to my channel while you're here, search my videos. I have an unboxing, and I also have a few shorts on some projects that I made with my Eufy make. I will also link it down in the description if you want just like it's a standard desktop UVDTR printer. I love it, prints quality, it cleans itself, does its own maintenance, all that good stuff. But anyway, yeah, let's jump into this order. All right, y'all, here are the shot glasses. It's a 30 pack from Amazon. The customer actually brought these to me. So all I have to do is measure the front, make the stickers to go on both sides, and place them on the shot glasses. Now, here is the inspiration of the cake. So I took a screenshot of one of the bears and had ChatGPT upscale it. So all I'm going to do is now upload the bear that I decided to go with to Canva and remove the background. So typically when there's a white background around your image, I like to turn the background of my layout in Canva black or gray so I can actually see how well the background removed, because sometimes the background remover will remove too much. And then I'm just going to download it to my computer. I'm going to resize this in the actual Eufy make software. So now on the other side of the shot glass, she wants it to say D-Ray 45th. For D-Ray's 45th birthday, I'm assuming. And my favorite font in Canva is Anton. I love that font. Again, I'm going to download it to my computer. Transparent background. I always download with transparent background when making stickers. Well, at least that's what I do. Now I'm going to upload them both into my Eufy Make Studio. Sometimes when you upload photos into Eufy Make Studio, you have to crop them. So that's all I did there was crop it. And now I'm just going to adjust the size over on the right hand side. I got about a 2 inch by 1.5 inch space that I can use on the shot glass. But I'm going to try to keep it as minimum as possible so the actual photo doesn't look, you can have it out of size. If it's too wide, the bear look fat, and if it's too long, the bear look tall. So you want to make sure that the bear looks proportionate, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to add in my D-Ray, again, cropping it so I can resize it. And just a tip, always measure your products before making stickers so you know how big to make your stickers. You would hate to make your sticker too big or too small and it doesn't fit, especially because it takes time printing UVDTF. Next, I'm going to snapshot, and all this does is take a picture of your print bed. So I do have a UVDTF sheet already on the print bed. It's the larger bed. It's about a 13 by 16, and it just takes a snapshot of the bed so that you can align your photos onto your UVDTF sheet accurately. Again, I have a full video on how this whole process works, so go check that out. So here is how my bed looks, and now I'm just going to duplicate everything, both images, so that I have enough to go on each shot glass. Now, I was only able to fit 28 bears on here and 28 names, so I did have to do an additional print to get those other 2 bears and the other 2 names. So once I have everything to size, I'm going to go over to the right and make sure that it's set for UV DTF stickers and that the material is set to unknown and the mode is in flat so there will be no texture, and then you can print. Now this machine does print quality UV DTF stickers. It's a little long though. It takes, if you do a full page, a full big page, which is like the size 13 by 16, it takes about an hour. So keep that in mind if you're looking into buying one of these. Here are my prints. They have already been laminated and cut out. After you print, you do have to laminate these. So go check that process out in my tutorial video. Now the application is common sense. I know you just remove the back and place it on the shot glass like a sticker. Now that setup, that cup holder I have in the back, that's just a pool noodle cut in half and then I taped it together. It's actually pretty sturdy and pretty good. Like if you got a cup you want to keep steady while you put something on it, you can stick the handle down in between the two poo noodles there, and it keeps it in place. So if you want a good cup holder, if you lay stickers on cups or make tumblers or whatever, that's a good idea for you to do for your cups. It really keeps your cups steady. But that's me just putting the stickers on both sides. I'm going to put the beer on one side and the name on the other side of the shot glasses. Now, when doing DTF stickers, you want to make sure that you clean your surface with alcohol before you lay your stickers down, just so you remove all the oil and debris so that your UV DTF stickers will adhere and they will actually last. I didn't wipe these off with alcohol in the video, but I'm making sure that I let you know to do so that your DTF stickers will stick to whatever surface that you're putting it on. And again, I had to make 30 of these for this order, so of course I'm not gonna make all 30 on the video. We'll be here until tomorrow. But yes, I'm gonna do one on video, and this is pretty much how I did all 30 of the others. And then I like the way that they had them packaged in the Amazon box, because once I finished, all I did was throw them back in the box. So that was really cool. But yeah, y'all, that's it. We're at the end of the video, and here's all 30 of them. D-Ray 45th. Happy birthday, D-Ray. And the polo bear on the side. He must be a golfer. I think golfers like polo. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video featuring my lovely UV DTF printer. I love it. It's so convenient having a UV DTF printer at home for projects and orders. Again, look how compact it is. It's not huge. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. The print quality is great. So I will place the link for this printer down in the description for you to check out. I thank y'all for sticking around today while I completed my order. It was fun hanging out with y'all. I know I don't typically do videos like this, but I figured why not? I had an order. I'm not just a content creator. I also have a craft business, and I do have orders outside of content. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.